Welcome, Milano family. As we go and organize our refrigerator, we can take out all the stuff and use it and make it into something really delicious. So, what is this? Wow, I'm going to show you. You just watch. Some baguettes. So, again, baguettes go really quickly. So, you're going to get a baguette. This was a super long one, and I just chopped it in half. And I sliced the lid out, cutting into it. Okay, and I'm going to do that here. And it's such a simple one. We just need some butter for the bottom. So I already put some butter in this one already. And again, once again, just to reiterate, Milano family, we like real butter. This one got a little melted from another dish, so I kind of recouped it. Don't want to waste. Want not. So you're going to butter it up a little bit. And this is the top. And we're going to take the bottom here. We're going to do two different versions. Just a little swoop of butter. One of them we scramble a couple of eggs. We're going to go too close to the edge. We're going to pop that in here. Can you see that? Then we're going to take, I use a little bit of bacon. Yummy. Okay, then we're going to do some red pepper flakes, depending on the spice level. But come on, give it a little something. Those spicy things really heat up your taste buds. We're going to do red pepper flakes, a little bit of garlic powder. We're going to do some Italian seasoning. We're going to put a little salt. Again, we've got the bacon in there, so we don't want to go overboard too much. We're going to put some pepper. We're going to put some cheese. And then we're going to go for another layer. If it was a bigger baguette, we could get more egg. But I don't want it. It's too spilly over the top. So what we're going to do is we're going to do a little compromise here. That's this one. Okay. We're going to add a little bit more cheese. And we're going to place it. Wow, that looks good. With the lid. I'm going to start off with the lid, cooking it with the lid on, and then I'm going to take it off. So we're going to move that here. I'm going to put a little bit of the leftover scrambled here. And then I'm going to crack a whole egg. Ooh, we got a little overflow. That's okay. We're going to use our brown eggs. These are my favorite. Okay, a little salt and pepper. A little bit of red pepper flakes. I guess I won't use my finger. A little bit of garlic powder. And let's get some more bacon in there. So remember, this one is just off the cuff. I mean, once you are comfortable with cooking, you make things just out of the blue. I hate wasting food, so I'm one of those. Hold on, I'm going to add a little bit more bacon over to this one. I don't want to waste a drop. Okay, hold on. Let's just add the rest over that way. Okay, then we're going to take the cheese. My God, is that not looking just delectable? Okay, we're going to pop that here. Okay, so we're going to take these carefully. And we're going to put them in the oven at 350 for about 10-15 minutes. Okay, so remember, 350 for about 10 to 15 minutes, but check your oven. Anyway, see you in a minute. And so, let's take a peek. Oh, look at this. Wow. That looks fantastic. Welcome back, and look what we have here. It's just a picturesque something of beautifulness and tastiness. Oh my gosh. Okay, so we're going to cut it into just little, I'm going to half this. Oh, gosh. Sorry. I'm going to pop that here. Another one here. Let's add on maybe some olives. Or whatever you want to. Okay. And look at this little bit of loveliness. Also, too, our little side pieces. Look at this. Let's give one of these right here. So stay tuned and watch all of our fabulous Milano kitchen recipes. We've got a lot for you, or pop into the showroom. In any case, we will see you really soon.